Merry Christmas, guys! So, yeah, nakarating tayo ng Christmas. Despite of all the pandemic, all the challenges is 2020, we're celebrating Christmas Eve. And we're celebrating kami nila na here in Bicara. It's our first Christmas here in our new home. Okay, so we're very excited. Maybe we'll also celebrate New Year here. So for tonight, for this Christmas Eve, we will be doing a cheese board or grazing board. Pero maliit lang to eh, for just for 2 people. Alright, so let's do the ingredients. So for the cheese, I have brie. So this is the most common in most of cheese boards na nakikita ko. I also have white cheese with olive. I have cheddar cheese, and I also have Emmental. So ito, bawas na siya. So kaya ito na gagamitin natin. Then I also have some cashew nuts, some raisins, and then cranberries dried, and then dried mango and dates. And then we have Hungarian sausage. We have chocolate, almond chocolate. And then we have salami. Also we have ham. And we have grapes. Meron pala tayong honey for the cheese. Okay, so bakit ba may cheese board? So I really like wine. So usually kapag bago matulog, uminom ako ng wine para mas ma-relax, lalo na pagka stress sa work. So I usually do wine. Sometimes I do it with cheese, especially if I'm with friends. Kaya, ayan, so for tonight, dahil dalawa lang kami, I can play around with the recipe and all the menu in our Noche Buena. Kaya ito, gagawa tayo ng cheese board. Nakalimutan ko, we have some crackers pala. Ayan. Okay, so actually, it's my first time to do this. No? Hindi naman ako talagang gumagawa nito. But, yeah, let's do it. Okay? Sige. First, let's do the cheese. Ito. Buksan natin yung ating brie. So, ito na yung brie natin. Nabuksan ko na. So, lagay natin siya dyan. And then, itabi ka muna natin. And then, let's do the cheddar. Masyadong malaki yung cheddar. So, hatiin ko to para magamit pa natin sa ibang mga bagay. Yeah, here. Yeah, we now have brie. We now have cheddar. And then, let's put this. Kasi sayang naman, nag-iisa na lang siya. So, let's use it. This is Emmental. So, lagay mo siya dyan. Parang mas maganda yung cheddar dito. Ayan. And then, let's do itong ating salami. So, yung salami natin, medyo aatihan natin siya ng kaunti. So, masyadong di maganda naman. Bibilugin natin siyang ganyan. Tapos, pwede nyo ilagay dyan. And then, let's do some ham. Bilugin din natin siya. Ay, mabilug. Then, let's put it here. And what we can do is, we can put here, dito sa gilid yung mga ham. Tapos sa kabilang gilid yung mga salami. Sabi ko sa inyo, it's actually an art on how to do your cheese board. There's actually no science into it. And then let's put some sausage here. Meron mga 3 pieces. And then let's put some cashew nuts over here. And then let's put some raisins. And then dried mango. I hope you can see it. Ayan, dried mango. Then maybe some dates here. And then maybe some chocolates here. 4 pieces. Ito. Kaming dalawa lang naman nila. And then, maybe here, yung cranberries natin. Gusto natin yung mga cheese dito. And then, let's put some grapes. Yan. And then I have here itong white cheese. So ilagay natin siya dito. So kagandahan nitong cheese board na nabili namin nila na in Landmark is may ganito na siya. There. Oh my god. And then we'll put some honey here. Did you know guys that honey is very perfect, a perfect match for the cheese. So liglig ko lang niya na-realize siya. So lagyan natin yung honey dito. Lagyan natin to. Ayan. Siguro dito yung honey. In the middle, no? I think hindi even. Lagay pa natin ang ham. One more ham. Okay. And then siguro yung grapes. Huwag na natin ilagay. Para nalagyan. And then, itong nabili naming cheese board nila na is, may mga ganito na siya. Yung mga pang cut ng cheese. So, lalagay mo lang siya dyan. Ayan. Ayan. At, ayan. So, yeah, yung grapes hindi nagamit guys. So, pero display ko lang yan. So, yan guys, there you have it. So, cheese platter for 2 people or cheese board for 2 people. So, medyo marami na bili kong ingredients but I think that will do for New Year. And this is gonna be our cheese board with wine tonight. So, I'm gonna show you the rest of our menu for Noche Buena. Okay guys, this is it. So, this is the final product. So, medyo inayos namin siya with the help of Mrs. Jaya. So, yan ang ating final product, ang ating cheese board. Yan, may white cheese, may cheddar, may isa pang cheese, tas may brie, may crackers, may grapes, may salami, ham, dried mango, cashew nuts, raisins, cranberries, dates, and then sausage, and then we have honey para sa cheese. So, ayan, ang ating cheese platter. So, what else? Ito pa yung handa natin. So, we have pasta, aglio olio with bacon and grated Parmesan cheese. We have ham, courtesy of Angel. Thank you so much for the chicken ham. We have salad. And then we have this. I just made this. Thank you, YouTube University. So this is just olive oil, lemon, honey, salt, garlic. So yan. And then also we have wine. Yan, para sa ating cheese, of course. So we have here sweet wine because Lana wants yung semi-sweet lang to actually. And then meron din tayong red wine. Yan, Shiraz. Ayan, so basically that's it. That's our Noche Buena. Medyo marami-rami pala ang nagawa namin. So, but we can consume that mga susunod na araw pa. So there you have it guys. So I hope you enjoyed and I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea how to create a cheese board or a grazing board. That's it for the House of Jaya this Christmas guys. Merry Christmas! Bye!
Merry Christmas!